Introduction to Cyber Attacks. Understanding the modern threat landscape. Cyber attacks have become one of the biggest threats to organizations, governments, and individuals. As technology advances, so do the tactics used by cybercriminals. Understanding how cyber attacks work, who the attackers are, and the methods they use is crucial for building a strong defense against evolving threats. What is a cyber attack? A cyber attack is any attempt to gain unauthorized access to a computer system, network, or device with the intent to steal, disrupt, or damage data. Cyber attacks can target individuals, businesses, and even national infrastructures, causing severe financial and reputational damage. Who are the attackers? Cyber attacks come from various sources, including hackers and cybercriminals, individuals or groups seeking financial gain through data theft, ransomware, and fraud. Nation-state actors, government-backed groups that conduct cyber espionage, sabotage, and intelligence gathering. Hacktivists, attackers who target organizations for political or ideological reasons. Insider threats, employees or contractors who misuse their access to cause harm intentionally or unintentionally. Common types of cyber attacks. 1. Malware attacks. Malware is malicious software designed to infiltrate systems and cause damage. Common types include viruses and worms, self-replicating malware that spreads through infected files or networks. Trojans, disguised as legitimate software but designed to steal data or grant unauthorized access. Ransomware, encrypts files and demands payment for their release. Spyware, secretly monitors user activity and collects sensitive data. 2. Phishing and social engineering. Phishing emails, fraudulent emails designed to trick users into providing login credentials. Spear phishing, targeted phishing attacks aimed at specific individuals or organizations. Vishing and smishing, voice-based and SMS-based phishing attacks. Hasher 3. Denial of service and distributed denial of service attacks. Attackers overwhelm a network or server with excessive traffic, causing disruptions. Used to cripple websites, financial services, and government systems. 4. Zero-day exploits. Attacks that exploit unknown vulnerabilities in software before a fix is available. Highly dangerous as there are no immediate defenses. How cyber attacks impact organizations. Financial losses. Businesses can lose millions due to fraud, ransomware payments, and operational downtime. Reputation damage. Customers lose trust after data breaches. Regulatory penalties. Failing to protect data can result in legal consequences under GDPR, HIPAA, etc. National security threats. Attacks on government agencies can compromise defense and intelligence operations. Preventing cyber attacks. 1. Implement strong security policies. Regularly update security frameworks and conduct employee training. 2. Use multi-factor authentication, adds an extra layer of security for login credentials. 3. Regularly patch and update software, prevents attackers from exploiting known vulnerabilities. 4. Monitor and detect threats, use SIEM systems and AI-based threat detection tools. 5. Backup data, ensures recovery from ransomware and data loss incidents. Final thoughts. Cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated and frequent, but with the right knowledge and defense strategies, individuals and organizations can protect themselves. Understanding who the attackers are, how they operate, and the tools they use is the first step toward a strong cybersecurity posture. In the next section, we will explore real-world cyber attack case studies to see these threats in action. Stay tuned.